Filing bankruptcy can feel overwhelming, especially when you're also expecting a tax refund. Many people ask, will the bankruptcy trustee take my refund? Can I keep it? Does Maryland law protect it? Today, we're going to walk through exactly how tax refunds are treated in bankruptcy here in Maryland. When you file bankruptcy, you create a bankruptcy estate. The estate includes most of your property and income, including tax refunds. The bankruptcy trustee is responsible for administering the estate, which means reviewing assets that can be used to repay creditors. If you file bankruptcy after receiving a large refund, that refund may become part of the estate. Refunds received before filing are generally part of the bankruptcy estate. Refunds expected for the tax year in which you file may still become part of the estate. Timing of filing near tax season makes this especially important. Imagine you file bankruptcy on April 5th, and you haven't filed your tax return yet. The IRS may issue a refund later in the year, but because that refund relates to the tax year before or during bankruptcy, it might still be considered property of the estate. In bankruptcy, exemptions allow you to protect certain property, so the trustee can't use it to pay creditors. Maryland has its own set of exemptions, including a wildcard exemption that may be used to protect tax refunds. An exemption doesn't magically make the refund disappear. It protects it from being used by the trustee. If you have a tax refund worth $2,000 and are filing Chapter 7, you might be able to use your wildcard exemption to shelter that amount, letting you keep the refund. The way refunds are treated depends on the chapter you file. In Chapter 7, you aim to exempt it. In Chapter 13, the refund may affect your repayment plan unless planning is done properly. File after receiving your refund if possible. Waiting until after you get your refund may mean it's in your possession and possibly exempted, depending on law. Strategic use of wildcard or other exemptions may protect the refund. Don't guess. Talk with bankruptcy counsel before timing your filing. A few weeks' difference can affect what happens to a refund.